this video, I will show you 5 new features from TidyCal. Stay tuned. You asked, we listened. Now, here are 5 new features in TidyCal. Let's check them out. Number 1. You can now format your booking type descriptions. We've added some formatting tools that most of you have been asking for. You can now select the size of your text. You can bold, italicize, underline, or strike through a text. Change the color of your text, set a text background color, and select your text alignment. Additionally, you can now add a line break to separate paragraphs. Number 2. Group bookings are now possible. With a Pro account, you can now allow more people to book a single time slot in your TidyCal calendar. This is perfect for webinars, online classes, or even musical performances. Group bookings is a feature unlocked if you upgrade to a Pro account. Upgrade to Pro here. Number 3. Questions can now be set to required or optional. The question field may now be set as a required field or an optional field. Additionally, you have the selection of answer types to choose from. Set the answer type to text if you are asking for your bookers to enter their custom responses in a sentence format. Set the answer type to radio if you want to show all the possible options that your bookers can select. Bookers can only select one. If your question requires one or more than one answer, set the answer type to checkbox. This answer type allows multiple answers. Set the answer type to Dropdown if you want your bookers to select from a drop-down menu. Bookers can only select one answer. Number 4. After successful booking, you can now redirect your clients to a specific URL. This Pro feature allows you to send clients to a specific landing page in your website so you can continue your engagement. If you enter a download URL in this field, that would allow you to give away a downloadable file after a successful booking. Number 5. Booking types can now be cloned, so you need not set up the entire thing from scratch every time. Cloning shortens your setup time and lets you launch your TidyCal in less than 5 minutes. And that's it. If you have questions or want to make a feature request, you may send us an email at originals@appsumo.com. You can also reach us on social media. Links are on the description box below. We're looking forward to hearing more ideas from you. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.